This question is taken from profit and loss. You can see here we have a question. What will be the cost price? It means what we have to find out. Cost price we have to find out. Already mentioned here. What will be the cost price of a computer set when it is sold in rupees 40,000? So selling price here. Let's solution right on. Here selling price is equal to rupees 40,000. And after that, with a profit of 25%, here profit is equal to 25%, we have to find out cost price, CP. What is the formula of CP? We have to use here CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus P. We have a formula of cost price, SP into 100, 100 plus profit percent. Here SP is equal to 40,000 into 100 and 100 plus 25. Don't write here percent, we have to write down 25. And one thing you have to keep in mind, 100 and 100 we cannot cancel. So let's multiply this one. 40,000, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 60 by, we have to add this and we get here 125, and when you divide this two we get and the answer is 32,000. So selling price is the cost price is 32,000 when selling price is 40,000 with 25% profit. Hope you understand. This question is taken from BLE class 8. If you understand, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you are new on my channel, and please share with your friends.